The restoration of the English monarchy took in the 16th when the English, Scottish, and Irish monarchies were all restored under King Charles II. This followed the interim also called to the protests that followed the Wars of the Three Kingdoms. The tenth restoration is used to describe both the actual events which the monarchy was restored, and the period of several years afterward in which a new political settlement was established. It is very often used to cover the world race and the Charles II, 1616 to 1685, and often the right reign of his young brother James II, 1685 to 1688. In the centralist concept, this may be used to cover the welfare of the later restored monarchs as the death of the Queen Anne and the accession of the Henry years in the 1040s. For example, restoration comedies typically encompass work breaking as Soleil, 60 and today. Subscribe and let's go.